Alright, so this is how you can lock your Facebook profile in 2022. Now, first off, you want to make sure that your Facebook app is updated. After you've made sure that it's updated, you want to press on it and open it up. Now from here, you want to press on your profile icon in the top right corner under the magnifying glass. Just press on it next to notifications. And from here, we want to scroll down and we want to select settings and privacy. From this option right here, from these options, you want to press on the first one, settings. Just click on here, and where it says search settings, you just want to type. So just tap on it and you want to type locking. Now, this feature is not available to everyone just yet. It's not available in all countries. It's not available in my country. However, here you should see one option. If it's available for you, it should say profile locking. So you just tap on it and that's how you lock your profile. Now, if we go to the help center right here, we can see how to lock your Facebook profile. It will say this feature isn't available everywhere right now. You can only lock your profile in certain countries. So that is how you lock your profile, and if it's not available for you, it will be with time. Thanks for watching, leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time. Bye.